In this video, I'm going to show you the best free After Effects alternative, and this one is called Power Director by Cyberlink, okay? So what you want to do is go to Google and type in Power Director, and you'll find the link to cyberlink.com. Then you want to go to this website, and then as you can see, you can either get the kind of the free version of the software or the paid version. Okay, of course the paid version has more features and stuff like that. However, the free version has a little less features, but it's still very, very valuable. And then what you want to do in this website is simply press free download, which will take you to the downloads, and as you can see, it instantly starts downloading, and what you then want to do is just open up the exe file and you can install it and start using it. Now that's the first one I wanted to talk about. However, if you don't want to download anything, you can also go to this one, which is called Pikimov, I think it's pronounced. You want to type Pikimov into Google and go to pikimov.com, which says Pikimov free web-based motion design and video editor. So you want to go in here, and as you can see, you want to click Get Started. And then in here, it says since 2024, so that's brand new. You can create a new project. You can select what the preset is going to be, press OK, and as you can see, this is pretty much kind of similar to After Effects, and it can work similarly to After Effects. However, it is web-based, and you can use it for free. So these are the two alternatives, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please help me out as well, and subscribe to the channel.